We had a tank that was re-erected in around 1992 time frame. We had a lot of coating failure on the interior, on the lap welds, and just basically overall interior was in bad shape. So we had that replaced, an overcoat system put in. Then we began to look at the exterior, which we were having some failure on the outside, chalking. There was chips completely coming off. Also had some mildew issues hanging on the underside of the bowl, and it was looking bad. And so it was time to do a new system on it. With using Maguire with the interior, it was I had made the decision that we were going to continue to use Maguire because of the quality of work that we had with the other projects. Pretty much I was there every day to check in, easy to work with the guys, and just overall made it fairly stress-free. The old logo was it was black and white, just black letters, upside down M for a W, didn't really look very good. So we designed a new logo that we've been using on kind of trying to get to where people are familiar with us, like a brand, and so incorporated that on our tank, and it looks great. We've learned along the way, the 23 years I've been there, not to cut corners, because if you do, you're going to end up spending more. Now we have something that kind of stands out in the community. It's a good look for the company. It's a good look for image. Sometimes image is everything, and so if you have a tank that's got mildew hanging on it, paint's falling off of it, reflects on not necessarily how you're actually doing business, but it's an image thing with the consumers. So if you have a product out there that looks good, it gives people confidence in how you're running the system.